how to set up a smart home. Must-have gadgets on a budget. Setting up a smart home doesn't have to cost a fortune. With the right gadgets and a bit of planning, you can turn your home into a tech-savvy space without spending too much. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to set up a smart home on a budget. 1. Start with a smart hub. A smart hub is the heart of your smart home, allowing different devices to communicate with each other. You can get a budget-friendly hub like the Amazon Echo or Google Nest Hub. These devices can control various smart gadgets, play music, set timers, and even provide voice-activated assistance. Tip: opt for an affordable model like Amazon Echo Dot or Google Nest Mini to save cost. 2. Smart lighting. Smart bulbs are one of the easiest and most affordable ways to get started with home automation. Look for smart bulbs from brands like Wise or Sunglad, which are often cheaper but still provide remote control, dimming features, and color-changing options. Tip: use smart plugs if you want to turn regular lamps into smart lighting without purchasing new bulbs. 3. Smart plugs and switches. Smart plugs let you control ordinary appliances like fans or even your coffee maker remotely. Budget-friendly brands like Smart or Meros offer plugs that work with Alexa or Google Assistant. Or smart security camera. Security is important, and smart cameras can be a great way to monitor your home on a budget. Look for affordable options like WiseCam or Ring Indoor Cam that offer cloud storage and motion detection alerts. Tip: consider placing cameras in key areas like front door, backyard, or garage for maximum security coverage. And hey, just don't go overboard and install one in the fridge. No one needs 24/7 footage of their midnight snack craze. So please do share, like, and subscribe to our channel. 5. Smart thermostat. A smart thermostat can help you save on energy bills by automatically adjusting the temperature based on your schedule. Affordable models like the Wise thermostat or Google Nest thermostat can provide great functionality without a hefty price tag. Tip: look for models with easy installation and compatibility with your existing heating and cooling system. 6. Smart speakers for music and control. Smart speakers like the Amazon Echo Dot or Google Nest Audio provide hands-free voice control for your smart home and can also play music, control lights, and provide weather updates. Tip: you can find deals on refurbished models to save extra money while still getting good sound quality. 7. Smart doorbell. A smart doorbell like the Ring Video Doorbell or UFI Security Video Doorbell can let you monitor who's at your door, even when you are not home. Many budget options also include motion detection and two-way audio. Tip: consider purchasing a doorbell with subscription-free features or one that includes a free storage option. 8. Smart sensors. Smart sensors like door or window sensors and motion sensors can add an extra layer of automation to your home. Brands like Echolink offer budget-friendly security sensors that work well with your hub. Tip: place sensors on entry points like doors or windows to automatically arm your security system when you leave. 9. Smart camera door lock. Instead of buying a high-end smart lock, consider budget models like August Smart Lock or Wise Lock. These allow you to lock or unlock your door remotely and monitor access without spending a lot. Tip: many locks also have keyless entry options, so you won't need traditional keys anymore. 10. Smart home automation apps. Many smart home devices are controlled through apps, so make sure you are using the best app for automation. Apps like IFTTT and SmartThings are free to use and can help you set up routines like turning off lights when you leave home or adjusting the thermostat before you arrive. Tip: automate tasks to save time and ensure energy efficiency. Creating a smart home on a budget is all about starting with essentials and expanding over time. You don't have to buy everything at once. Purchase what fits your needs and look for deals or affordable alternatives. Happy smart living. And there you have it, your very own smart home set up without breaking the bank. Remember, the magic is in the little things, transforming your space into something smarter, more efficient, and more fun, one gadget at a time. Never forget that the best way to predict the future is to create it. And today, you've just taken a step into a future filled with convenience and innovation. If you're excited about bringing even more magic to your home, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more inspiration, and share this guide with anyone who is ready to create their own smart sanctuary. Till next time, keep dreaming big, stay curious, and let the magic of technology brighten your world. See you in the next video.